Hey guys, it's Crypto Meal Analysis coming at you with your favorite coin, OXT. So this is pretty interesting. They just came out with Post, their Gen AI free client giveaway. So if you guys haven't played around with this, it's if you click on this, you can kind of give it prompts. So it's kind of like Chat GPT in a sense. So I don't know if you guys know what Chat GPT is, but it's pretty interesting. And for anyone that's in Orchid and OXT protocol that stumbles across my videos, your marketing is really bad. But I mean, I'm nobody, so don't take that to heart. Anyway, the problem is with Orchid, people really don't know what it is and what they're doing, right? So they have a decentralized VPN, and they're doing storage, decentralized storage, which is huge in my opinion, because trust me, that's something that I because trust me, bro. No, because I deal with that and I'm aware of storage and cloud storing and things like that because I use it frequently. And now they're coming out with Gen AI. They have an AI aspect to the coin, which is obviously we all know it's growing and it's huge. So to me, it's a no-brainer, right? So to me, as far as an investment goes, yeah, I got wrecked. Full disclosure, I bought like when it first came out because I thought it was really cool. But this is like when I was a baby, right? This is December of 2019. So I was like, oh, like, I didn't understand market cap. I didn't understand fully diluted, blah, 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 like all that stuff. Like, I thought this was absolutely going to the moon, and I was ignorant and things like that. But, from that point up until right now, and, my video OXC videos are getting like 30, 40 views. So I'm literally just waiting for this to like start uh, start producing God candles, and then I'm gonna be so excited because my views on my OXT videos are gonna be going parabolic, just like the price. Because then people are gonna look at it, and then people are gonna be like, "Wow, like Orchid's doing all of this stuff." Like they first started as a decentralized VPN, and now they're doing storage, and then they have Gen AI. They have our AI aspect to their coin. They also do have the potential for burning coins. They have a fixed supply, which means that it's never inflationary. However, the coin can be deflationary, which is huge because in the last 5 years that I've had 6 years, oh my gosh, damn. So how, dude, I was very young. Yeah, I was very young when I first bought OXT. Damn, that's crazy. I remember I was working out of my off, like out of the office, like at work, and then this is before pre-pandemic. That's crazy. So yeah, they came out, with the decentralized VPN, and now they're doing all these extra things. So anyway, I kind of got sidetracked thinking about how it's going on 6 years, but deflationary. That's right. So throughout my 6 years of actually having and talking about Orchid protocol, they haven't done any token burns. So I do expect, hopefully their delivery is better than just posting on their Twitter and posting on CoinMarketCap. Uh, but anyway, so that I think will draw a lot of attention to Orchid because it's not just like an investment in the company, but it is also an investment that's deflationary. So your coins aren't going to get inflated. All the circulation's fully distributed now. So there's the market cap matches closely to the fully diluted, and the list goes on. So, with that being said, in terms of the price action, so that's my specialty and that's what I do. Now people are probably going to be like, "What? That's so dumb. TA doesn't work." Well, yes, it does. It gives us a little guideline. It tells us what areas are resistance, what areas are support, and so on. So from the high to the low, you can actually see that we are no longer macro bearish. So we were bearish for a little bit. So whoever snagged some coins over here, congratulations. I ended up adding 25,000 coins to my pool. So it's not a lot of money, but hey, it's something. So keep in mind, again, as long as we stay over the 236, the 382 is the next target. And I'm hoping this time when we hit it, we're at third attempt. Okay, so we had one, two, third time's the charm, right? So I'm hoping that the third time we double top and then break out, and then from there you're looking at 21 cents. 21 cents is very key because look, you got 21 cents and then you have 27 cents. So I look at these graphs on logarithmic. You know what I'm trying to say. The logarithmic. I hope I'm saying that right. Anyway, so if I take that off and if I just use this fib, not on log, you can see that we have a long ways before we're technically macro. Until we're technically macro, we're not macro bearish. We have 27 cents to break. Once 27 cents breaks on linear, then that's when I think we're going to start getting our God candles. So we might get stuck at, the 382 on log, which is around 21 cents, and then come back down. But I'm trying to show this because on linear, we're not even close. So 27 cents. So once I break 27 cents on this, then I'll start getting excited and I'll be like, oh my God, I made my money back. Like I'm not in the poorhouse anymore. But until that happens, it needs to establish a floor. It needs to stop making lower lows. The BTC, this is something that hopefully Orchid is aware of. The OXT BTC pair is absolutely horrendous. Like this thing is like so for anybody that's investing, their hard-earned money into a coin, and I'm doing that. I'm putting my money into Orchid because I believe in it. I believe in the team. It is what it is. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But from an investment perspective, if you ever look at a coin like this, it's like, well, then why didn't I just put my money in Bitcoin, right? Why didn't I just invest in Bitcoin if it's just going down? And my hope is that, they eventually build it out and make it better and have use case, get partnerships and that. So it's kind of a more higher risk, higher reward. So that's what OXC is. This is a little bit in-depth video, but I did want to mention it because I'm hoping we get a reversal soon. I'm hoping we break 15 cents 80, and then 21 cents and then 27 cents. Those are key. Remember, 15 cents, 21 cents, 27 cents are key. Once we break that, see you later. We're out of here. We're flying. So I don't even know how high we can go. Are we going to break the previous all-time high? Very good question. I don't know because they released coins. So back here, you can see that, the price was $1 or 69 cents and the market cap was 100 million. The market cap is 100 million now and we're 10 cents. So that's tenfold, right? So you have to take that into consideration when thinking of how high a coin can go. Regardless, I think this is going to be over $1 billion and that's going to put the price at $1. So I think that the coin's going to go back up to its previous all-time high and it's going to make a new all-time high for its market cap at 1 billion because the highest market cap was 483 million, and the price was actually lower here at 64 cents, right? So so that's just my thought. Obviously, I don't know if I'm right. I don't know if I'm wrong. Full disclosure, I have Orchid. And again, I highly doubt this. Like my XCN and Swiftcoin videos are getting 3,000 views. And my OXC videos are getting 30 views. So for the 30 people that are actually in here with me, dude, I really hope we make it. I've been here since 2019, in Orchid since 2019. I actually ended up switching all my coins from XLM to Orchid, and then I got wrecked. So, and then I didn't get wrecked, and I didn't sell, and then I got wrecked. So, lesson learned. It is what it is. I have diamond hands, so whatever. Anyway, for the 30 people, I really hope this year's. I want to say this year is it. I want to say we're going to start moving out this year. But that's the thing. I really don't know when that's going to happen. But we are going on year 6. So, from an investment perspective, I just don't know how they're going to get investors more excited about Orchid if the price is basically flatlined, Like when you walk into a hospital and when you look at the little monitors that have heartbeats, right? So we had heartbeats and this was pretty healthy. This was pretty nice, right? And then this is where, I don't know what that thing is called, but it's to resuscitate you or something. It's to electrocute you. So like, you know, we had a little electrocution here back in March 2024, and then we had another electrocution here. So it's like, how long, how many more can your heart take before, you know, you're pronounced dead? I don't think you're pronounced dead right now with OXT, but I think we're headed there because look, like we're kind of flatlined. So we really need to start picking up. We really need to start having its bull run. And in my opinion, and just researching it and looking at the team and seeing that they're still engaged, and you know the CEO is still doing, not podcasts, but like there's a YouTube video up of him talking about Orchid and where he's come from and etc. The doctor, you know, it's pretty exciting, and I'm still invested in it. So we'll see what happens. And yeah, with that being said, I think this video is like probably more than 8 minutes. So there's probably going to be 2 ads on here, which is great. So I'm probably going to make like 5 cents on this video. So anyway, I really appreciate everybody that's watching. And it would be sick if OXT goes up now, because if it does, then this is the last video that's up for Orchid. And then this is the video that's going to get all the views. and then since it is pretty long, then that means that I get more ad revenue. But if it doesn't, then obviously I'll make update videos here and there, and it'll be a lot more, like a lot less time. But I just want to tell you guys my thoughts and feelings and where I see OXT and things like that. So I hope that resonates with you know the 30 people that are watching this. And if it doesn't, then whatever, you guys probably don't, or you know, they probably didn't watch the end of the video, right? So I guess if you still believe in OXT, and if you actually listen to me yap for the last like 8 minutes or 10 minutes, however long, damn, I don't even know how long it's been, but if you know, if you're here to the end, just comment a rabbit, you know, like a little rabbit emoji. And then that way I'll know that you actually listen, and there's actually people that listen to Orchid content, you know. It would be kind of motivating. Because again, we have 47,000 holders and not a lot of engagement on the OXT videos. But anyway, with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.